Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is help guide you step by step how you can stake your Rise tokens. So I just did a previous video and it will be up on the channel probably as of right now. That is how to migrate your Copy to Rise, because as a lot of you guys know, Cornucopias has rebranded to Infinity Rising. So we've successfully swapped different tokens. So we got our Copy to Rise. So if you guys like that, definitely let me know. And also like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you would like for tutorials when it comes to Infinity Rising. I still love the project. I hold a bunch of tokens. I've just been focused on more general midnight content and others. So let's dive right into it. So of course we have that step-by-step guide. It's a little more thorough, right? It's a little more detailed, but I have more to convert. So I have a lot more to convert on this particular video. So what we're going to do is we're going to aim to get as much Copy into a vault. And I'll explain what I would want to do. Guys, nothing's financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Do what you want. But I want to get into the ADA Rise staking. So use the link tree. I've provided links for you. I'm even going to add the video tutorials for each of these. So it looks like one's open. Okay. So there's a yield farming video that will be coming out this week as well. I'm going to pump it out. Pump in the moose, baby. Guys, 6% is still open. Let's try to get in there. So I'm going to imagine you're probably like, you know, how do I get into this? Well, very simple. You're going to want to migrate your tokens first so you can watch that video. Guys, use the link, Copy Rise. It's also on the Twitters. Okay, so or X's, whatever you want to call it. So if we go here, we're going to go to token migration. I've still got one wallet left. So I have my Trezor Model T, and let's connect the wallet here through Lace. So I've got my Model T connected through Lace. Something should pop up here. So if I go here, I'm going to switch. Let's see, here we go. So you're holding roughly, what is it? 83,000 Copy, okay? So what we want to do is swap that. So you're going to go to the top right, connect your wallet. If you don't know how to set up a Lace, I've got videos on it. So it's very simple. We're just going to hit swap now, and we're going to sign the transaction. Total cost should be roughly 0.22, so 0.33. Confirm with Trezor, okay? So if you guys are using a Trezor, this is how you migrate your Copy with ADA. Really, I would recommend that if you're using a hardware wallet, you may want to do the migration with a hot wallet where you don't have all your funds on here. Like here, I have a significant amount of ADA, in my opinion. So, you know, if you ever lose that, that wouldn't be fun. So here we're going to hit hold, and we just approved that transaction with the hardware wallet. That's the beauty of a hardware wallet, okay? So this only took like a minute or two, so I figured why not just, you know, add this into the episode. So here we're going to hit done. And this is the previous transaction with my other wallet. So we previously got, what was it? I guess it'd be showing here. So we had 9,600 Rise that we migrated over. So we are doing the next phase of that. So once we have these tokens migrated from Copy to Rise, we can then do things with it, right? We can start earning a yield. We can, you know, connect it to the store, etc. So we're going to let this go. Something will pop up and I will message you on that. But guys, hit up the link tree, right? As you just saw, I was able to do the migration process while leveraging the power of a hardware wallet. And I know I've had a lot of, let's see, let's close this. I've had a lot of different requests on different comments. People are like, hey, when are you doing the Trezor Safe 7? Well, I got to buy it first. So I've reached out. They haven't reached back to me. So if I have to, I'll just pick one up and then I'll do a review. It'll pay itself down the road anyways, through affiliates. And, you know, I'm always happy to help you guys out. So that's one cool thing. But guys, protect your crypto, man. Like, use cold storage. If you guys need the fundamentals, watch the Cardano mini course, right? Just really immerse yourself and let me know, how are you doing with the night tokens as well? So I would like to know how many night tokens you guys have, if you have more than the Moose. So I'm roughly total with phase 1 and 2. I'm around 10,000 to 11,000. Phase 2, I'm just above 2,000 night. So very cool in that regard. Okay, so we're gonna let this go. There we go. So now we can farm, we can do different things. This is going to be the staking. So staking, typically there is liquid and locked. I believe the only one that's open now is liquid, which is good. One downside is, if you're in liquid, you're probably going to earn less of a return, but you're liquid, meaning you can easily pull in and out of this situation, right? Whereas, with things like yield farming, you got to pair assets. It's more complicated. That will be the next video. But when it comes to staking, we want to look at the VyFi Vault, okay? So I'm going to have VyFi. I'm going to have the CEO, founders of VyFi. They're going to come on the channel. That's what we're going to do real soon. So let's close out of this. Use the link tree, right? I'm going to keep this. It may be dropped down in the link tree down here to staking, claiming. I'm going to reorganize. But as of right now, we're going to have these links along with the video tutorial to help you guys. Okay, so I really want to help out as much as you as possible. Let me know if it's helping. So ADA Rise staking, VyFi Vaults. Let's click on the link. Okay, so it will take you here. Connect your wallet. So imagine it's disconnected. We're going to connect. Okay, we're connecting Lace. If you go up here with your browser wallet, I have my Trezor connected with Lace. We got some ADA. We got some Infinity Rising. Perfect. We got some Baby Snack. All right. So a lot of these are closed. I have two main wallets right now with Kopi. I have one wallet that has, let's say, 10,000 Rise tokens. Now I have another wallet that you just saw that we migrated. I have like 90,000 Rise roughly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the majority and just put it into the vault. Okay, I don't want to mess around with yield farming. I don't want impermanent loss. I don't want a lot of risk. Let's keep it safe. Let's just dump it in here. So let's go to stake, 75%. So it's like, tokens dropped a lot, but regardless. So annual ROI, 51. Let's see. So $51, whatever. Like, we're just going for more tokens. So let's just say that we put it in. We could earn, potentially, what is that? A 6%. So boom, we could take this in and out whenever we want. Let's just go max. Actually, let's not go max. That's a lot. Let's just put in 40,000. Should we go more? Should the Moose get loose? Let's go 50%. Confirm. So we're going to put in 41,000 into the vault. It's just a tutorial for now. Confirm with Trezor. If you guys are using a hot wallet, like just the Lace without a hardware wallet attached, this will be even easier to sign transactions. So now we're going to wait, and you're going to see things like this. Boom. So now we're going to confirm. Yep. Ends in 3, 2 ADA. Confirm. Confirm. Continue. Set collateral. And now we're going to hold to confirm. Confirm. There we go. So make sure you kind of read and know what's going on. I've done this a few times. So there we go. So all transactions signed successfully. So we're going to wait, let this set. You can see it loading in the top right. Recent transactions. So we are now staking our Rise into the vault. So Moose getting loose, baby. Moose getting loose, dude. Tim Hortons, sponsor the channel. Send me some hockey cards. Send me those powerhouse cards. That would be really dope. Maybe we need a Moose rookie card, right? The Moose rookie card where he's alone, he's broke, no wife, no kids, and he's just staking to the vault, right? And he's like a sad, broke loser. So I'm just kidding. I'm actually making jokes. But guys, Tim Hortons should be sponsoring this channel. We are growing. Like, actually, we are growing as a channel. And it's because of you guys. I really appreciate it, man. Like, I'm putting in the time and effort. We have 850 videos. That is like monumental. That's great, right? Like almost 8,000 subs. Yeah, like guys, like it's been a grind. Like I'm making 4 videos today. I have an online store. It's my eBay store. I've got like almost 200 products I have on there. I'm gonna get to 1,000, then 10,000, and then also do online courses. I'm doing a bunch of stuff. So, you know, be on the lookout for the moose. Be on the lookout for the moose. You know, he'll be in that. What does everybody get? A Lambo, right? I don't know if I get a Lambo. I'd probably get like a 68 Mustang. That would be fire. Comment down below when the moose makes it in crypto. What the heck should he buy? Right? Should I get the yacht? Should I get a gold douchey chain? Should I get a clear-cut Connor Bedard rookie card? What should I get? Should I get a Charizard PSA 10? Should I buy some gold instead of silver? Like Moose been buying silver. It's all he can afford. Guys, let me know, man. Like, I don't know. Let me know. Maybe I should just convert it all to Bitcoin. I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm going to keep my mouth shut. I'm going to try not to say anything too egregious. So anyways, this is working. I really want to wrap up this video now, but you know, we're kind of waiting on a transaction. I bet you there's a lot of people doing this right now. So, but guys, 6% is pretty good. For those of you that did get into the other ones, let me know, what is the 30 and 90 day? So there we go. It's kind of working here. Oh, we're earning yield, dude. So, dude, Moose is sipping on his coffee, earning rise. Look at that. This is good. This is good. Good. What else? So I'm going to save the rest of my tokens on my other wallet. We're going to do a yield farming video. So guys, head over to the link tree. Soon you will see a YouTube video for the Kopi Rise migration. If I'm able to manage it, I will add the video there for the staking, for the farming. It's going to be beautiful. The moose is loose. See you in the next one, folks. Comment down below how many Rise tokens you got. Cheers.